Well guys, we just absolutely smashed another milestone on the channel by hitting over 50,000 subscribers yesterday. And in honor of us hitting this amazing milestone, I am going to be doing a Q&A today, answering some of your guys' juicy, thought-provoking, and of course, entertaining questions that you all asked me on my Instagram story. So with that being said, let's get into it. The first question I got to kick off this Q&A episode comes from my boy Daniel Varts, and he asked me, how much money have you made from your YouTube channel so far? I thought this was a very fitting question to answer in this video, as we just hit 50,000 subscribers, and who doesn't want to know how much coinage I have made so far from YouTube ad revenue? To see the answer to this, all we have to do is go to our YouTube studio, scroll down to lifetime, and boom, you can see since I started making videos, I have made $26,300.53 from YouTube ad revenue alone. YouTube ad revenue is one of my biggest streams of income when it comes to YouTube, but keep in mind, it is not everything. In a given month, I'll make about $3,000 from the ads played before, in the middle, or at the end of my videos, and then an additional $1,000 to $2,000 from sponsorships or promoting my affiliates such as Shopify or Fiverr, which you can see linked down below in the description of all my videos. The second question I got in this Q&A comes from Milton, and he asked, do you have any siblings and how old are they? Well, to answer your question, Milton, yes, I do have 2 siblings, and I have a brother named Alex who I know watches these videos. So Alex, if you're watching this one right here, yo, what's up? I hope you're having a good day. And I also have a sister named Leia. The funny thing is though that both of them do not currently live with me at my parents' house, as they are much older than I am. My brother Alex is 25 years old and he works as an auto mechanic, and he also loves flipping cars on the side. As for my sister Leia, well, she lives all the way out in Germany, thousands of miles away, and she is studying to become a doctor. The third question I got for this Q&A episode is one I get quite often, and it is, what advice do you have for new entrepreneurs? This is kind of a difficult question to answer, as it really depends on what circumstances you're in, but if I were qualified to give some general advice, well, here it is. In the beginning, try as many different business ventures as possible. Whether it's starting a YouTube channel, a dropshipping business, an Instagram theme page company, a TikTok page, whatever it may be, try that business venture out for a couple of months and see if you like it. And then once you find something that you actually enjoy doing and you think you could make some money with it, go full into that thing, try to scale it, and I guarantee if you work on that business day in and day out for 2 years straight, you will see some level of success no matter what business venture you're trying to get into. Murad.OGM asked, how much is your car and what model? Well, Murad, instead of telling you what car I drive, let me show you, but I have to warn you, it's not that interesting.
Love me cause I'm poppin'. This a layup, this a rebound, then it's robbing. Tyson with the fade, not the hair, my hands rockin'. When I link with ball point, you know it's knockin'. I'm not the same.
Wow, that definitely wasn't as cool as I thought it would be, but basically I drive a 2007 Toyota Corolla with 70,000 miles on it, and an exhaust that definitely doesn't sound right. Overall, the car isn't really that cool, but eventually after I buy my first house and start making 6 figures or more, I will write the fat check and buy myself one of my dream cars, which is a Tesla Model 3. Another question that literally popped up all over the Q&A poll I posted on Instagram is, what is your net worth? And since you guys are so curious about this, let me break it down for you. In the past year that I've really been making a good amount of money online, my income has ranged between $1,500 per month and $5,000 per month. and from that income, about 20% gets saved into investments, such as my Roth IRA for retirement and my brokerage account to buy stocks. On top of that, another 20% goes straight to the IRS, and another 20% goes to business expenses, such as these expensive YouTube videos that I make 1 to 2 times per week. So that basically leaves me about 40% of my income to either save or spend. Over the past year, I have been able to save about $9,000 across my checking accounts and $8,000 across both my brokerage and Roth IRA accounts. On top of that, I also have an Instagram theme page worth about $1,000, and my car is also worth about $5,000. So that brings my very approximate net worth at the age of 17 years old to $23,000 after just 1 year of making some solid income online. And that net worth is likely to rise pretty substantially here over the next 12 to 24 months, as I'm making a lot more money now than I was a year ago, and I'm also focusing on saving and investing a large portion of my income. Within the next 8 years, by the age of 25 years old, I want to have enough invested in real estate and stocks to cover all of my expenses, and at that point, I'm going to go ahead and buy the Lamborghini I have always dreamed of, and I will officially become one of those gurus on YouTube. With that all being said, thank you guys so much for watching this short little Q&A episode. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel if you have not already, because I guess the next milestone is the silver play button or 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. On that note, guys, I will see you Monday with another Financial Wolf episode, and peace out.